Hello everybody. I am Dr. GIS and this is my first video. Today I will introduce you into one of the most basic functions of ArcGIS, which is one of the most popular programs in matters of the geographic information system, as well as in virtual mapping. How to do geoprocessing. We commence by clicking on the right button in Layers and then in the Below options, which is the Properties, and, later on, to its coordinate system options to change the project's coordinate system, which in this case I will convert it to WGS84. After that, we will click on the right button again in Layers, to proceed to Open Add Data, where we can add in our project any kind of file that the program accepts. We can also seek for any file in our PC with the Connect to Folder option. In our case we will occupy a raster or image. I will add an image of the map of the King County of the state of Washington. Next, we will proceed with the geoprocessing by adding control points. In this case I will add 4 points, but you can also add 12 points for a better positioning of your raster or image. Next we will click on the View Link Table option. As you can see, there are three kinds of coordinates. The X and Y source, which are the coordinates the data the ArcGIS interprets. The next are the X and Y map, which the coordinates that I'll establish to adopt it to our raster. Finally we have the residuals, which are the errors shown in the processing of the raster. The next step is to establish the coordinates of our raster, which you can investigate by programs like Google Earth, Google Maps, or similar. Something important to notice is that the coordinates of the latitude are to be added in Y map, hence, the longitude coordinates are to be added on the X map. And this step is ready. Despite the raster being slightly distorted, it is very legible and useful as support for creating shapes based on the raster. After that we will proceed to the georeferencing menu. We go to Rectify to save our raster as a TIFF file, which is the georeferenced raster. We can also create it, by exporting the raster, where we can decide the characteristics of our raster like its name, location, type of format, etc. Next, we'll proceed to open a new file where we will next change the coordinate system of the raster. First we must open the rectified file. This is important as with the other raster made on export data it is unable to modify its coordinate system. Next, we will open the Arc toolbox, seek to Data Management Tools, Projects, and Transformations, Raster, and we will open the Project Raster option. As we see, it has four important options. The input raster, which is the file to change its coordinate system, the input coordinate system which indicate the current coordinate system of the raster, then we have the output raster dataset which indicates the location of our new raster, as well as its name. Finally, we have the output coordinate system, which indicates the new coordinate system we will establish to the new raster. And there we go, the UTM coordinate system raster is ready. If you liked this video and it was useful for you, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Wait for more useful videos. Goodbye.